Welcome to StockMarketFunding.com. First Solar, FSLR, right there. Closed at 135.50. But here's the earnings report. Nice headline number. Reports earnings of $1.84 per share. That's when it spiked up to 139. That's $1.84. 23 cents better than Reuters consensus of $1.61. But here's the overhang in this environment. And I'm going to use this, that the S&P is not going to continue to go higher either, because it's going to take a hell of a lot better earnings reports than what we have seen in order to support a higher S&P 500 as well. Yeah, they're all good earnings, but in my thing, it lowers CapEx outlook to 575 to 625 million. Expects the FY fiscal year 2010 operating cash flow of 575 to so that's what they're looking at there. The thing that they see, the December revs at 2.5, 2.6 versus 2.62. This is a little teeny light right here, folks. This number. And that's contributing to that. The inline guidance is not, this 23 cents better. That's not good enough, man. You needed upside guidance. They gave inline. The last quarter that we traded it, they gave upside guidance. And going into the report, like I told people here, this is where we're printing at. I just want people to understand that these are what the earnings are. The most important thing also is that EPS of $7 to $7.40 versus $7.12. That's theirs. So that's the lighter end. That's a little bit the top end of that spread of that $7.12 consensus. You're starting to move up off the lows, as we can see right here. I got there it is, 139 down to 127. And they just blew out the number, and I just shared the earnings report. That's your story. We are getting net long off that bottom now, just so that we can get a little bit. The newer people, you can just kind of stay out of the way a little bit. There will be a conference call. The blowout number, it's the inline guidance that's not good. You needed upside. Sorry.